What is it, John? Tea? What do you mean tea? Good grief. You've made tea. What's for tea? Cakes? Eggs? Cheese? Did you bring all this outside? I think you did, didn't you? You've got a chair. Is Mummy doing the gardening? So what have we got, John? We've got cans, we've got cakes, eggs, pans, spoons. We've got tins of beans, egg, fried egg. Oh, there's Dolly over there. Oh, there's the vegetables. Well, well, well. Shouldn't this be in the living room, John?
Jason's obviously been for his car.
Yes, John? Are you having some tea? More tea. Bye. Bye.